What's the meaning of Bakersfield? Bakersfield. Bakersfield.
Bakersfield. Bakersfield. Bakersfield is a city located in California, United States. The name Bakersfield is believed to have originated from Colonel Thomas Baker, who was a local business owner and landowner in the area during the mid-19th century. Bakersfield is known for its agricultural industry, being one of the largest producers of oil, carrots, and potatoes in the country. The city is also home to a vibrant music scene, with genres ranging from country to rock and roll. Bakersfield has faced many challenges over the years, including droughts, earthquakes, and economic downturns, but has consistently persevered and thrived as a community.